While the papaya fruit is globally celebrated for its dietary and cosmetic benefits, the lush, green leaves of the carica papaya plant are increasingly recognized as a skincare powerhouse. Often referred to in Ayurvedic traditions as Amritpatra, the leaf of immortality, the leaf has historically been crushed into medicinal pastes to treat severe skin ailments and rejuvenate dull complexions. Today, modern dermatology confirms what ancient wisdom has long known. The unique enzymes and phytochemicals in papaya leaves make them a highly potent, botanical treatment for the skin. Here is a comprehensive breakdown of the benefits you can expect from using a papaya leaf face pack. The science. What makes papaya leaves effective? Before exploring the direct benefits, it is crucial to understand the biochemical makeup of the papaya leaf. Its efficacy stems from a unique synergy of naturally occurring bioactive compounds. Papain and Papain, these are powerful proteolytic, protein-dissolving, enzymes that break down the bonds between dead skin cells. Alkaloids, carpane and pseudocarpane, these compounds possess natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, making them highly effective against microbial skin threats. Flavonoids, quercetin and camphorol, these are potent antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, defend against free radicals, and soothe cellular inflammation. Vitamins and nutrients. The leaves are incredibly rich in vitamins A, C, and E, alongside beta-carotene and lycopene, which collectively nourish, brighten, and repair the skin barrier. Unmatched natural exfoliation. The most immediate benefit of a papaya leaf face pack is its ability to act as a highly effective, chemical-free exfoliant. Traditional scrubs rely on physical abrasion, which can cause micro-tears in the epidermis and irritate the skin barrier.
हफ्ते में 3 दिन ये जादू कर ले, सारे दाग धब्बे उखाड़ फेंकूंगा। समझदार है तो सेव कर और हेल्थ आपकी फॉलो कर ले।
When the freshly crushed leaf paste is applied to the skin, the enzymes selectively dissolve inactive proteins and digest the cellular glue, holding dead skin cells to the surface. This process not only reveals the brighter, newer skin underneath, but also accelerates the skin's natural cell turnover rate. Consistent enzymatic exfoliation prevents the buildup of damaged keratin, which is often the primary culprit behind a dull, rough, and tired-looking complexion. Aggressive acne and blemish control. For individuals battling stubborn acne, frequent breakouts, or congested skin, a papaya leaf pack offers a multi-targeted solution. Acne thrives in environments where pores are clogged with excess sebum, oil, dead skin cells, and bacteria. The leaf addresses all 3 root causes simultaneously. First, the deep cleansing action of Papain thoroughly unclogs blocked pores. Second, the natural alkaloids, specifically carpane, act as broad-spectrum antibacterial agents that actively neutralize the bacteria responsible for cystic acne and surface pimples. Finally, the leaf's natural astringent properties help regulate excess sebum production without aggressively stripping the skin of its essential moisture, keeping future breakouts at bay. Anti-aging and wrinkle reduction. Premature skin aging is predominantly driven by oxidative stress caused by ultraviolet, UV, radiation, environmental pollution, and daily lifestyle factors. Papaya leaves are an abundant source of antioxidants, specifically lycopene and essential flavonoids. These antioxidants tirelessly scavenge free radicals in the skin tissues, preventing them from degrading the skin's vital structural proteins. Furthermore,